Hey guys, let me take you on a journey on how to achieve a creamy shawarma at home. You're going to step up your shawarma games with this recipe. First, I'm going to fry my beef and my chicken. You can use only chicken or beef depending on what you want. Go ahead to season it. I seasoned with 1 cube of seasoning and some curry powder and some spice, okay, just to give this extra taste. I added some pepper too. I had already, cooked this, but I wanted to fry it. So if you haven't cooked this, you can go ahead and fry it until it turns white, okay. Do well to spice it too. Add some onion and some pepper too into this stock, because this is what is going to give us that good taste we want in our shawarma. Then I'll go ahead and fry my hot dog. I use hot dog for this because I didn't get sausage. Then this is my tomato ketchup. I shared a video of how I made this ketchup and condensed milk that I'm adding to this. I added some pepper into the ketchup, and then I went in with my condensed milk. You can see it is already giving all the shawarma vibes. I added some mayonnaise. So if you need a video of how I made the condensed milk and the ketchup, is right up on my channel. Do well to check it. Check the description box. I'm going to share the link to these videos. Stir this very well, guys. Then I'm going in with my cabbage that I had already sliced and some carrot, just a little of it. Then the cream. Oh my god, this is so good. So if you're new to my channel, I haven't yet subscribed. Hit the subscribe button right away for more juicy recipes that are coming your way. So stir this very well until it's well combined. Right, I'm then going to go in, place my foil, and then this shawarma bag that I have made. The video is also up on my channel of how to make this shawarma bread so delicious. I'm going to put in my mixed cabbage. Then I went in with the beef that I had already fried. Then next my hot dog. You can see just arranging it so well on the shawarma. I'm going to top with some cream last, and then I will roll this. It's going to spill away though. That's the number thing for the shawarma. It's going to spill away, but not to worry, keep wrapping. That's why we are using a foil, okay. So you can also use a baking paper to achieve this, but I like to use a foil so that I can heat up my shawarma very well. I don't have a shawarma grill, so using a foil is a good option for me so that my pan can work well for me while heating up my shawarma. Do well to put in the extras that has fallen off the shawarma uh, back, and then you go ahead to roll the shawarma. Gently roll it and seal up the edges. Guys, this is ready. It is ready. The next thing we're going to do is to heat this up so that it is hot for our consumption. You can see how well I'm rolling this. You want to seal up the edges so that the cream does not spill out, or so that the excesses of from the beef does not also spill out of the wrapping. Okay, this is just basically the way I seal up my edges. The edges are well secured with this method that I am using. I'm going to do this for the two wraps that I made. The video is up on my channel. Do well to check it out. The video of how I made the things that I used in making this shawarma. Guys, this is I tell you, you get hooked to this one. You even stop buying shawarma from fast food because this is homemade and it's so delicious. It came out so well. Place it on your pan, heat it up, cover it up, heat up the two sides, and your shawarma is ready. So let's get right into enjoying this piece. You can see me cutting this, and I just review how the inside turned out. It is creamy, it is well stuffed, and it was so delicious, guys. I hope you do give this a try because ah I am so hooked, and this is premium enjoyment. What I mean, premium enjoyment. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I love to see you subscribe. Leave a comment for me and tell me what you think about this recipe and if you're going to try it out. Like this video. Don't forget to share and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till next time. This came out so nice and delicious.